Today, we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of ginger. From reducing nausea to fighting off chronic diseases, ginger is a superfood that deserves our attention. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe digestive issues like bloating, cramps, and diarrhea. It can also help reduce nausea and vomiting, making it a great remedy for motion sickness and morning sickness during pregnancy. Ginger has antiviral properties that can help fight off the common cold and flu. It can also help reduce congestion and coughing, making it a great natural remedy for respiratory issues. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, like gingerol and shogaol, that can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. This makes it a great natural remedy for conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and menstrual cramps. Ginger is rich in antioxidants that can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Ginger has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe skin issues like acne, rosacea, and eczema. It can also help promote healthy hair growth and reduce dandruff. And there you have it, folks. Ginger is a superfood that offers a multitude of health benefits. From digestive health to skin and hair benefits, ginger is a great addition to a healthy diet. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content.